Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on Deanery Road towards Berkley Avenue. Turning off Deanery Road onto Berkley Avenue, and to the right is the Langston Court apartment. On the right is St. James Road. On the left is Hasley Avenue. Just left, you can find the McGregor Gully on 1st Avenue, and we are now turning towards Langston Road. We have reached Langston Road, and the road straight across is Carnavon Street. Turning onto Langston Road towards Mountain View Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.